How to create an FTP account from the Bluehost panel. First, let us understand what an FTP account means. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is a type of user account that is used to manage and upload files on your website. FTP accounts are important as they allow you to give different users different levels of access. This way, you can create FTP accounts for specific users who can have access to only specific folders or files. So let's see how you can create an FTP account. Start by logging in to your Bluehost panel. From the menu, click the Advanced option. This will take you to your cPanel. Here, under the Files section, click on the FTP Accounts option. This will take us to the FTP Accounts page. Here, insert the required information, like the username, and from the drop-down, select the domain name that you want to create this account for. Next, type in the password or use the password generator. What comes next is the directory field. This will determine the level of access for the user. So select public_HTML and add the directory name you want the user to have access to after this. Next, you will need to set the quota. Quota is the maximum bandwidth that the FTP user may use. Finally, click on Create FTP Account, and with that, you will have created your new FTP account. Now that you have created an FTP account, let us see how you can access it by using a program like FileZilla. But first, let's understand what is FileZilla. FileZilla is an open source FTP solution which allows you to access your FTP accounts. FileZilla not only supports FTP but also FTP over TLS called FTPS and SFTP. So let's see how you can use FileZilla to access your FTP accounts. Open the FileZilla client app. You will see 4 empty fields here at the top: host, username, password, and port. For the host field, you need to type in your hosting IP address. You can get this information by logging onto your Bluehost panel. In the menu, click on Advanced. This gets you to your cPanel. Under General Information, you will find your IP address. Once you have typed in your host, next you need to provide the username. Type in the username for the FTP account you want to access. Type in the password and the port. The port to access an FTP account is 21. Next, click on Quick Connect. This will open up a pop-up. Check the Always Trust Certificate in Future Sessions option and click on OK. Wait for a few seconds for the files to be populated. And with that, you can start managing your website files. You can drag and drop any files that you want to transfer from your local host to your website.